acting and direction? What's the mindset difference?
Probably as an actor, you're just thinking about your character.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're thinking about the arc for your character, and with every single scene, you're thinking about what your objective is, and you're building the emotional through line. When you're directing it, you're thinking about everything, the emotional through line for every single character, the emotional through line for the story, and how everything fits together and what it's going to look like in the end. So the difference is you're either thinking about yourself as an actor and just your character, and then the director, you're thinking about everything, which is a lot.
Yeah. It's too
Especially
much.
when you have to do all of it, because I'm usually acting in it, and then sometimes directing. And I'm also written it and producing it. So then there's just a lot of hats I'm usually wearing and keeping track of.
Yeah, got it. It's too much when it's come to direction. But you need to be multi-skilled when it comes to acting plus direction. And that's, I guess, it's a habit now for you. It's like a routine SOP for you, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.